Hi, everyone. My name is Jerry. I work in the recruitment department at Peninsula College. Peninsula College is going to start the academic school year of 2020-2021 mostly online. Some exceptions are made for several professional technical programs we offer, such as welding, nursing, medical assisting, etc. A quick overview, we're going to go over updates for the upcoming quarter, events, and helpful links and contact information. Our enrollment process has basically stayed the same. Students can apply online at our website. It is free to apply. Staff is working full-time to provide support via phone, email, and Zoom. Students are welcome and encouraged to contact the recruitment department to schedule a Get Started appointment to chat with a recruiter via phone or Zoom. These sessions can provide assistance navigating the next steps after applying. I've included the email and the phone numbers to contact if you wish to set up a Get Started appointment. Our testing center does have some updates. We now offer a remote testing option. Students can contact the testing center to set up an appointment to test virtually. Following CDC guidelines, we also allow students to schedule time to come into the student center to test. I've included the phone number and the email for the testing center. Our financial aid department has updated many of our financial aid documents to make them fillable online to help students that may not have access to a printer at this time. We also offer workshops and seminars via Zoom for additional support. That can be found at pencol.edu/events/all. The financial aid department also has created an electronic Dropbox for financial aid documents to be securely entered. I provided the contact information for the financial aid department. As for events, our recruitment department is continuously planning virtual information sessions via Zoom. Our events page is continuously being updated. Everyone is welcome to apply. It's fairly simple. You just go to our events page, select the event you're interested in, sign up, and you'll receive a Zoom invitation via email. Some helpful links and contact info. I provided the academic calendar for 2020-2021 for dates and deadlines. Our Get Started page provides a list of steps involved in the enrollment process. Our programs page offers all of the degrees, professional technical programs, and certifications we offer at Peninsula College. And I provided the services page. Peninsula College is actively providing resources for students during this time. We provide counseling, veteran support, online and virtual tutoring, bookstore pickup, drop-off, etc. I also provided contact information to set up a Get Started appointment, contact information to contact student services, and the admissions email. Thank you so much for attending, and we hope to see you at Peninsula College.